rusty, busty, and crusty, but like y'all don't care. I know y'all don't. Okay, so tonight it's like 12 a.m. Thursday night going into Friday, so Friday morning, and we leave for Florida on Saturday. So we're gonna do our gift exchange and everything on Friday, which is, I mean, today technically, whatever. And I wanted to make something for my niece, my sister, my mom, just a little customization or whatever. But yeah, so basically I have a couple hours to do so, and I'm starting now. So wish me luck. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing, all that good stuff.
The shirt for my niece. It's just a long sleeve, cute little shirt or whatever I got from Ross. Has the Ross tag on it. $6.99. So if I fuck it up, I'm not really losing too much money. And I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do with it.
I have these letters, and I'm gonna actually sew them on, even though they're iron-on letters. I'm gonna try sewing them on. So I'm gonna put her name. I have these, which I think would be really cute. But I also have these, so I'm like, and these are adorable. Like, they're so cute. So I'm gonna hand sew all of these on. And I'm excited. I don't know if I'm gonna do this or that. What to do to die today at a minute or two to two. I think distinctly hard to say, but harder still to do. The reach of the two to I messed up, but if you know, you know. Something like this, keeping it simple, because my niece is like she loves to dress and stuff, but she's more like the simple, like this is nice and simple.
It's not centered. I can see it on the camera. Okay, whatever, but I was thinking this design. One, I don't know, like something like this. Guys, I really don't know. Or take these out. Just do it, keep it simple. I don't know, like, I feel like she's 11, guys. So, like, as an 11-year-old, multiple butterflies would be cute, right? But, like, somebody my age or something would probably just want the one butterfly. Like, what is that, Brandy Mayville? I don't know. I don't wear that stuff. Or I could do the 2. I don't know. I think the 3 might have been a hit. Like, I might have been on to something with that one, right?
Help, send help.
So, like, I think I'm gonna go with this design. I mean, of course I'm gonna straighten the letters up, but like, I think I might go with this. But I still have different colors. Like, these colors I feel like match the shirt, but even I think the yellow would match too.
Send help, because I gotta make a decision, and I'm the most indecisive person ever. Okay guys, I got all of these patches from Joann's Fabrics today. The letters and the butterflies, the flowers. And I have these letters. They're a little smaller than those ones. You can see the difference. And I bought these patches. I kind of don't like the contrast, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see what it looks like. Okay guys, I'm back at it again. It's the next morning. Y'all, I went to sleep. Like, I tried sewing the K on, and I was like, nope, I'm done. Like, it took too long. So these are not on yet. I'm just gonna iron them on, because like I was scared that it was gonna fall off at some point. Like, if she wash it or keep wearing it, it's gonna fall off. But we're gonna have to deal with that when the day comes, because I'm about to iron these on, period. Okay, but I'm gonna show you how it's up. Okay, so I took a white shirt and placed it over, and now I'm gonna put the iron on, because I don't want to mess up the letters since they are white, and I never did this before, so I'm just nervous. Like, wish me luck, guys. I've never done this before, but I already feel like I'm doing it wrong because the letters were stuck to the white shirt. Help. Send help. Like, after I ironed it on there, I could like sew for reinforcement, and that it'll be easier to sew then because it's in place. But I'm really thinking, like, I'm not about to sew this, and I want to do like 2 more shirts, so like my time is running out and I still have to pack. So this might be it. Like, look, I messed my shirt up. I'm glad it wasn't something I wear a lot. So if that would have happened on my actual letters, I would have been pissed. So I'm glad I used this. And it's working pretty well. I had it on here for a while. Because I'm not playing. Like, I need this stuff to be right, period.
It's on there. It looks pretty perfect. It's like, I like it. Like, I love these. Like, these, I did that. But, yeah. I'm gonna show you guys when she wears it, too. Which might be never, but you never know. I'm happy with my work, and it's on there pretty well. I think I'm gonna still let it sit on there for a little bit more because I'm extra.
Okay, this one is for my mom. It's a insider. If you know, you know. I don't know if I need to change the hearts around. I'm gonna play with it a little. I don't know. I might like this placement better. I don't know. I only have 4 hearts, so I'm like, what can I do? What can I do? What this feeling?
Tell if this is straight. The mine will look like it's slanted. I don't know. I'm not using any measurements because I don't want it to be perfect anyway. But I can't have it like slanted. I think I'm gonna keep it like this. Wish me luck.
Got the shirt on top of the other shirt. Put the iron on there, let it sit, move it around a little. Make sure it covers all letters and just do this for like 5 to 10 minutes,
Guys,
I guess.
I love it. You see, it is a little crooked now, but it's stuck on there, so like it's stuck. This is a bodysuit. Oh yeah, I didn't show you guys. This is a bodysuit from Ross, and it was $7.99, so not bad.
Cool. She's very like low key, so I was thinking of not even putting something in there, just putting her name, but that looked plain to me. And I wanted to do a butterfly so like her and my niece could match, but like that don't look good to me. So this was the only one that like contrasted, or I don't know the right word, but it just go good with the black and the gold.
So yeah, I'm just gonna keep it simple with this. This is also a bodysuit, and it has the square neck. You can kind of see it, and it was $6.99 from Ross. Rest of the bodysuit, just a black square neck bodysuit, but the material is so soft. Oh my god, I hope this stick and all that good stuff, but I'll show you. Okay, so I'm doing a typical process. I hope this white don't fuck up my bodysuit, which I don't think it will. Like, it's just a regular, like, you see how thin this is? Like,
so guys, I love how this turned out, but I effed it up. You see that? Like, I think I just burnt it, or wow. I'm gonna try to do something, because like I love how this turned out. Like, are you kidding? If I gotta take a Sharpie and color these spots in, then that's what I gotta do.
so I decided to do one for myself, which I will show you guys when it is complete, and I hope I don't mess it up like I did the last one.
Okay guys, this is how my shirt turned out. I'm happy with it. It was my first time doing this, so of course I'll get better with time. This is my sister's. Look at that, like I'm bothered. I tried to wipe it, it's wet, but I'm really bothered by that. This material, I was praising it for being soft, but no, like, I can't believe this. This is my mom. Bodysuit. My niece. I'm so proud of my work with this one. This is something I would wear. Well, I would wear all of them, but that one, like, I wear that one more than I will wear this one. I'm gonna do more, and I'm gonna get fancy with it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.
Look, she got her shirt on. Yay. I can put it in my video now. Yay. She wore it the next day. She wasn't playing. Okay? Hit me up. Hit me up for a shirt.